Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about the Yamaha Surf Package. The Surf Package comes with three main components. Firstly, the co-developed, co-branded Yamaha Slingshot Wake Surf board, the Wake rope, which is branded from Yamaha, and also, most importantly, the Yamaha WakeBooster. Now the WakeBooster works inherently different from all other systems on the market. Instead of pushing water down, out, or away from the back of the boat, it actually pulls water into the center of the boat, works on the same side that the rider surfs, creating a huge, tall, long, and clean wake surf wave, giving you a great experience behind the boat. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and attach the Yamaha WakeBooster to the back of the boat. Now obviously when you're in the water, we're going to recommend that you use the Yamaha fender and floatation tether. Attach it to the WakeBooster when you're attaching the booster or moving it from side to side to make sure if you drop it in the water, it won't sink and it'll float. Okay, so next, if you're attaching it to the left side of the back of the boat, use the left side cutout in the bottom of the WakeBooster. Put it up against the bottom of the boat, use the billet aluminum pin, goes through your stern eye, simple. Then you got a T-pin, goes through the pin holder. Then you want to align the outside edge with the side of the boat. The back edge is going to overlap a little bit. That's okay, that's by design. Then give a couple of turns on your thumb screw. Make sure it's good and tight. Then make sure there's no play in the WakeBooster, and you're ready to go surf. Availability of the Yamaha Surf Package is as early as December 2018 in your local Yamaha Watercraft dealer. Thanks for watching.